Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Minecraft Warden Lego set on the market. The Lego Minecraft The Deep Dark Battle Set. Model number 21246. If you're a Minecraft fan or looking for an exciting gift for kids aged 8 and up, this set brings the thrilling deep dark biome from the game right into your hands with a perfect mix of adventure, action, and creativity. This set features 584 pieces and lets you build an immersive ancient city environment packed with details that Minecraft players will instantly recognize. You get two Minecraft hero figures, the Arbalest Knight and the Netherite Knight, each equipped with armor and cool weapons, including an enchanted hoe used for harvesting the precious sculk from the biome. But the real star of the show is the large, buildable Warden action figure, towering over 3.5 inches tall, that rises up from beneath the deep slate stone when you turn a special knob. This mechanic adds a dynamic and interactive element to the build, creating an exciting battle experience. What sets this set apart is the dramatic explosion feature. After raising the Warden, you can flick a switch that triggers a brick-built explosion, toppling the tower in the ancient city. This isn't just a fun visual effect. It also reveals a hidden Minecraft treasure chest filled with accessories like a bone, a healing potion, and 2 snowballs. These details bring a real sense of adventure and discovery to the play experience, making the set more than just a static build. The Deep Dark Battle Set perfectly captures the essence of Minecraft's exploration, excavation, and battle gameplay. The ancient city, the biomes, the characters, and the Warden are all true to the Minecraft world, making it incredibly appealing for fans of the game. The mix of buildable scenery, interactive features, and minifigures encourages imaginative play and creative storytelling. Another great addition is the LEGO Builder app, which enhances the building experience by allowing kids to zoom, rotate, and visualize the model digitally as they assemble it. This tech integration makes building easier and more engaging, especially for younger builders or those new to LEGO Minecraft sets. The product dimensions make it a substantial playset that can sit proudly on display, with the item measuring about 15 by 10 inches and weighing 2 pounds, so it's manageable but impressive in size. It's designed to be a fantastic gift option, especially for kids who love action-packed play and the challenge of building something exciting. In summary, the LEGO Minecraft The Deep Dark Battle Set is a must-have for Minecraft enthusiasts and LEGO collectors alike. It combines iconic Minecraft themes with innovative LEGO building elements and interactive play features. Whether you're battling the Warden, exploring the ancient ruins, or just enjoying the building process, this set delivers a complete and immersive Minecraft experience. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome product insights. See you next time.